Hello, how's it going? This is Annie Belanger, and today I'll be doing a review on a product called Links. Links is an easy campaign creator through done-for-you PDFs and funnels. So if you're new at online marketing, or if you'd like an easy way to launch campaigns, this could be a very good tool for you. If that's something that you're interested in, stick with me. I'll be going into more details and I'll be giving you a full demo. But before we go there, I would like to let you know that I have some awesome bonuses that we're going to take a minute and look at before we continue. So if you look at the link that's below the video, just click on it and it'll take you to my bonus bundle page where you'll be able to collect some awesome bonuses that will add value to this product and actually that are worth way more than the product itself. So bonus number one is a tutorial on how to get traffic to your links using a method, a very special method that will enhance your traffic. So this is a great tool because a campaign is as good as how many people get to see it. So this is a product that you will definitely want to take a look into. The second bonus is another method to get traffic to your links using another traffic source. So this has an added value to improve your traffic, because traffic equals money. And the final one, bonus tutorial's got a value of $344, is another method to make money using CPA offers. So all in all, I think those bonuses will provide more in value than the actual product itself. So I encourage you to click on the link and don't wait because this bonus will be up in about a day's time. So let's get to it. So this is the demo page. First of all, you have your dashboard. When you enter, shows you the total number of visits that you've had on your campaign. Then you have the number of campaigns that you've done so far, how many leads you collected, and then you have how many done for yourself PDFs have been created. So if you go to DFY PDFs, then you have a whole bunch of campaigns, PDFs that have been done for you, and then you can see what it looks like. You can clone it, you can customize it, you can customize, as I just said. You can modify a call to action button. You can put your affiliate links and choose the source for that. So that's a pretty easy tool to use. You can also select your affiliate offers, and in your profile you can enter your links ahead of time to optimize the whole process. So that makes it even easier. You can change the images, and so that you can, easily upload files to have any modification that you want. Then you have the core text, and you can again customize as you see fit. You can attach links in a very, very easy way. So for example, if you do this Munchai link, you'll see that it turns blue because it's been connected. So all of this can be tailor-made to your taste, and then you click save, and voila, you're done. If you want to preview it, this is what it will look like. So very, very easy. I like that picture. So anything in blue, as you know, is a button that will take you to the next steps. Then you can go to PDF campaigns, same thing. You can create a new one. You can enter your ID, affiliate ID. So very easy to do. You can change the image, choose a file, upload the picture, click on update, and there you go. Easily done. You can clone, same thing as we did before. So very user-friendly. Same thing for DFY funnels, sorry. Again, you can preview a campaign or simply go to select. So you can pick and choose the one that you prefer. So if we click preview there, we see, what it looks like. So you can select and then you just customize it to your taste with the name of the campaign, your call to action button. You already have some choices in there, and then you put your links, and it's very easy to do. Then the background image, you can change that as well. You can change the text. Just like that. You can change the color on your buttons. See, if you change at the top the call to action, then it will reflect in this button below. You can then attach any of the PDFs files that we've seen at the beginning. And this is how it attaches. You can save internally, or you can send to an autoresponder. So if you save internally, the leads will show on the left as we see here. Or you can use an autoresponder code if you use WordPress or GetResponse, what have you. And then you click on create campaign, and there it is. If we go to preview, we see the little changes we made. You can you can go to a thank you page, and again, it will show there. So very, very easy system. And then if you give a bonus, that's where you have it. And then you click on promote and you choose which media you want to use to promote your campaign. As easy as that. If you want to delete something, you have a button here to do it. Go to leads now. So all of the people that have responded will appear here, and then you can export the leads, and then you have some information about the sign-up date, etc. So this system, as you see, also has a component for training and support. Which is always good, because if you get stuck anywhere, you have some training modules, and also a support group that will help you with any questions that you may have. So when you go with that product, there are some interesting upsells that you can get, which are described on my bonus page. So the author links itself is sold for $16.93, and you have a list here of all the features included with this product. Then you can upgrade to Author Links Pro for $27. It includes full feature and removes all the restriction. You have unlimited campaigns, and you get access to bonus page creator software. Then you have the Done For Yourself edition at $47. I don't know what's wrong with my numbers today. So you get twice the Done For You campaigns added to your account every week, and it also includes Done For You monetized ebooks. The third upsell is Author Links White Label and Agency for $197. So you own the license, which you can rebrand and fully customize. And the final one is the Author Links Reseller, $67 for 100% commission across the entire funnel of Author Links, which could be a nice to have. So here are some key benefits that are included in this product. It's completely cloud-based software, so nothing to install. You will be able to create unlimited campaigns, no monthly fee, etc., etc. So if you're interested, click on the link below this video, and this way you'll get my great bonuses. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.